Hi, my name is Michelle Pies and welcome to 2098 Dogwood Drive in Scotch Plains, New Jersey. Join me as I take you on a tour of this fabulous new construction built 2017, featuring 6 bedrooms and 6 baths across over 7,000 square feet of world-class luxury. Nestled in the highly sought-after Parkwood section of Scotch Plains and set on almost half an acre of lush grounds, this is a place you'll be proud to call home. Contact me today to schedule your own private tour and be a part of this upscale community.